How to delete account on Facebook Lite. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can delete Facebook account on Facebook Lite. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open Facebook Lite in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your Facebook account. Now head towards the top right and then tap on the three-line icon. Scroll down a bit and head towards settings and privacy, tap on it and again tap on settings. Once you land on your settings and privacy page, tap on the first section, that is Meta Account Center, tap on it. Now from here under account settings, tap on personal details, then again tap on account ownership and control. Here tap on deactivation or deletion and now select your Facebook account. Now select the second option, that is delete account, and deleting your account is permanent. Select it and tap on continue. Here it says deleting your Facebook account will also delete all of your additional Facebook profiles as well as pages where you are the only admin or person with full control. So head towards continue and tap on it. Now, before you delete, you have to enter your reason why you are deleting your account. Here select your reason, then tap on continue. Then again tap on continue. Here scroll down a bit and read all of this informations and tap on continue. Now for your verification, you have to re-enter your Facebook password. So type in your password, then tap on continue. Now once you land on this interface, here it says you're about to schedule your account for permanent deletion. Once you schedule your account for deletion, you have 30 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion. After 30 days, your deletion process will begin and you won't be able to retrieve any of the content or information. So Facebook gives you 30 days to cancel the deletion. If you change your mind, you can always log in with this period to restore your account. So here tap on delete account and within 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. And that's how you can delete your account on Facebook Lite. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.